In front of me is Realme 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. First of all, open Settings and scroll all the way down. Then hit Google. Now select Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Finally, click on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current screen lock. Then select Edit button next to the delete one and change wherever you want to. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!